Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my September Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you are not familiar, it is a subscription box that you can get every month. There are different levels. I get the base box. It's about $28. They choose 2 of your items and then you get to choose the next 3 from selections that they give you. So you get 5 full-sized items of either makeup, skincare, tools, based on a beauty profile that you fill out. I have been a member of Boxycharm for a while. I enjoy it very much. I do not have a full face of makeup on today because I did cheat. Look in the box so I know what I can apply with you so we can decide, was this month's box worth the money? If that sounds interesting to you, then just keep watching. I'm gonna open my box. Very little protection, which is a little disappointing. I think they could do a better job with that. Inside is a flyer that's going to tell you about special events, about sales that are going on. One of the other things that I love about Boxycharm is that they have what's called the drop shop, and you can shop throughout the month for discounted makeup. Maybe makeup that you've gotten in previous months that you want to pick up again, or things that you see other people got in their box that you want. You get it at a great discount. So they're probably just reminding me about dates here. Make a drop shop, get to know your picks, which is very nice. I'm actually going to use that QR code to pull up my box so that I'll have more information to share with you about these products and their retail prices. The first thing I got in my box was this. This was picked for me from Boxycharm, and this is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette in Cool Neutrals. This is what the packaging looks like. These have been around for a while, but I have never tried them. Here are the colors and the mirror, and it says online, it might be mini, but this palette is packed with 6 powerhouse blendable eyeshadow shades and a range of matte shimmer and glitter finishes with a color story of cool toned classics like mauves, lilacs, and browns. Your eyes will demand attention whenever you use this. I, of course, will have all of these products linked below, as well as the products that are on my face. But looking online, this palette retails for $30. Here are the 3 bottom row shades. A matte, a shimmer, and then this one looks like a matte with a little bit of shimmer in it. And here are the top 3. Looks like 2 shimmers and another matte. I'm going to start with my Essence Eye Blender brush, and I'm going to go right into this top middle shade that looks to be on the mauve side. It is one of the mattes. I'm just taking this above my crease, but not all the way up. Bringing it down. I'm going to take a Profusion small pointed eyeshadow brush, the ES6. I'm going to go in with the same shade underneath. Now, this purple shade here intrigues me because it looked shimmery in the pan, but it looks kind of matte. It's kind of both, I guess. So I'm going to take this and put it right on my lid and see what that looks like. I think I had some fallout. I think I could feel it hitting my face. So we'll check that out in a minute. I definitely like the tone of purple. Some purples make me look sick. Yeah, I definitely like the tone of that purple. Now, can we deepen the outer corner with this shade here? I'm gonna wipe off the brush and we're gonna find out. Sort of tap that into the outer corner. It's doing it. A little underneath, just on that outer corner. And then I think I'll take a little bit of this bottom pink shade and put it a little bit in the inner third, just to add a bit of brightness. Let me add some liner and I'll be right back. I'm back, liner is on, and the next product that I have in my box is a new mascara. This is from Tarte, and this is the Maneater Waterproof Mascara. Retails for $25 online. This inky black mascara delivers the same results of the OG formula, but now you can swim or have a good cry. Lengthening, curling, volumizing, this mascara does it all without clumping or smudging on you. I'm curious to try this because I do not remember loving Maneater, but I want to give it a shot. I could use a good waterproof mascara. Packaging is pretty, very similar to the regular Maneater, but with the blue. This is what the wand looks like. And let's go in. I like the way the wand looks. I have the Lights Camera Lashes mascara in my stash right now from Tarte, and I am very much enjoying that one. I also just got the tubing one as a gift from Ulta. I haven't tried that yet. Let me know if you have that and like it. All right, well, there's one coat. Not bad. Let me put a couple coats on and I'll be right back. I am back, and wow, I definitely like what this mascara is doing for my eyelashes. I was able to build it up, lots of volume, good length, beautiful. The next thing that I have in my box are these brushes from Jasmine Beauty. I was able to pick these from the options that I was given. This retails for $54. This brush set is a 3-piece brush set, face focused, helping you achieve the perfect base. The angled brush is all about those perfect cheekbones, while the bronzer brush effortlessly blends and applies product for that skin-kissed glow. And let's not forget about the detail setting brush. Let me go ahead and open these up. I love the packaging. They don't feel very heavy. It says Jasmine on here. So I did my makeup earlier, but I only have cream products on, so I thought I would play with these with some of my powder products. I thought I'd bring in my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing, and let's... Oh, I like how it's thinner and then fatter. I like the density of the brush. It doesn't feel too hard or too soft. Yeah, that's a nice one. Very nice. And then the angled brush, I'll use a Glam Light Strawberry Shortcake. And I'm gonna tap it in here and just set my cream blush with this. These are very nice. I'm not sure how much I'll use the setting brush just because I've been more into a powder puff. I'll grab a little bit of my LYS translucent that I used to set my under eyes and a little bit on my T-zone earlier, and maybe just set the perimeter with this one. Very good. The next product I have here is this Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micropencil in Lilac Quartz. I am so sad. I already put liner in my waterline. I totally forgot that I had this, but I can at least swatch it, and I promise you I will use it and keep you posted. $22 full price eyeliner. Maybe it's magic, maybe it's the micro pencil. This gorgeous eyeliner transforms in different lights, shifting colors from indigo to plum to create the most ethereal, whimsical eye look. Wow, I love the outer packaging. Gorgeous. So pretty with all those colors. Look at that, it looks like it's white. Oh, that is pretty. Can you see that? All right then, there is a purple look coming your way because I want to use this. I think that looks gorgeous. And Vanessa Myrick, I have her Blurring Balm Primer on today. Love her product, so I have very, very high hopes for that one. Last product is from Keys Soulcare. This is the Comforting Tinted Lip Balm in Inspiration. It retails for $18. It is a lip balm, time to kiss your dry lips goodbye, packed with nourishing ingredients like vitamin-rich avocado oil and moisturizing camellia seed oil. This lip-loving treat leaves your pout feeling irresistibly smooth and soft, plus it adds a sheer wash of neutral berry for that perfect natural look. I brought lip liner in because I don't want to wear lipstick without lip liner, but I figured I would swatch it first by itself. I've never tried anything from Keys Soulcare, which is Alicia Keys' brand. This is what it looks like. It smells, I believe it smells sweet. Oh wow, that's pretty. Reminds me of the, what is that Clinique lipstick that's so popular? Black Cherry? I'll pop up a picture. It feels really nice on the lips. Let me go ahead and add some of my Morphe Makeup Talk, which is a pinky brown. There we go. I feel a little bit better with lip liner on. I believe it said it was buildable color, so let me just add a little bit more. It feels very nice on the lips. Just a little bit of tackiness, but not enough to bother me. I like it. Final thoughts on the box. I'm looking at the retail prices and I am well over $100. I will pop up the official number. So over $100 for a $28, $29, $30, maybe if you're paying tax box. Was it worth it? I say yes. My favorite products are definitely going to be the mascara and the brushes. I like these the most. I will get use out of these. I liked the way that the brushes felt, the way that they performed. I liked the mascara way more than I thought I would. I like the lip balm. I'm just not a huge lip balm kind of person. I will wear it though. Maybe if I completely align my lips with the liner and then top it, I would enjoy it sort of like a gloss because it does have a nice glow to it and it feels very good on the lips. So that's just personal preference. The liner, I can't say that I love it because I haven't tested it, but I have high hopes. I love the way it looks on my hand. I think it's going to be stunning in the waterline. And my least favorite is going to be this palette from Fenty. I tried to keep an open mind, but I do remember when these came out, I did watch reviews on them and they didn't get the best reviews. This formula is not my favorite. I had fallout. When I went to put my liquid liner on, I could see that that purple was looking a little uneven, which I can see that right now. The shimmers weren't popping enough. It's just not a great formula if you ask me. Not worth $30. So that was the biggest disappointment in the box. Overall, I am happy. I like what I got. So with that said, if you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? What products did you see that I tried that you like? Did you get anything different in your box? I would love to hear all about it. Little reminder, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links. If you shop with those links, I may earn a small commission. And I thank you in advance for supporting my channel doing so. And of course, I will have information about Boxycharm listed below. I always have information about Boxycharm in my description box. Not a sponsored video. I just like to share because I like to watch videos to see what other people got in their boxes as well. One more reminder, I am having a giveaway. If you did not see Saturday's video, I will make sure that I link it at the end of this video. Make sure that you watch it in its entirety. There's a little giveaway. Follow the instructions. I'm not doing the drawing for that giveaway until this coming Saturday. So jump in there. It's a very pretty palette that I'm giving away. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.